Good day and welcome to Mrs. Bam's Study Notes. Today we are going to look at groups. When we look at groups, how they interact, how they work, how they behave and the attitudes of the members, you are studying group dynamics. Part of group dynamics is the influence of personalities, power and the behaviors of its members. All this information can be used for teamwork, how to creatively problem solve, and to create new ideas. When you're working together as a group, not only do you creatively and rapidly solve problems, but you also learn essential skills such as active listening. So when do you have a group? Any number of people, two or more, that are classified together because of their interests, their characteristics, or assembling together can be considered a group. When members of a group work together towards a common goal, we refer to it as group cohesion. Cohesion is also influenced by the size and the success of the group, the competition and the threats, and the members' similarities. Next, we are going to look at the topic of groupthink. Groupthink is a psychological and sociological phenomenon where a group ignores logical alternatives and make irrational decisions as a group, regardless of the individuals within the group not agreeing with the decisions. Usually, it can result in unchallenged, poor quality decision making. One might ask, why would you go with a group if you are not agreeing with their decisions? This can be because of a dominant culture, fear of rejection from the group, tricky group dynamics, and a pressure to conform. This can all lead to people not speaking up even when they do not agree with what the group is doing. Unfortunately, groupthink can usually result in unchallenged, poor quality decision making. Let me give you an example of groupthink in an office environment. A group is ganging up on the line manager, and even though you do not agree with what they are saying or doing, you go along with it so that you are not rejected by the group. Or it can be because you would oppose the manager regardless of the reason. Please join me again for more of Mrs. Bam's Study Notes.